In this video, I'll show you how you can use different attachment clips to keep your Rondo 3 audio processor secure.
There are 3 different attachment clips for Rondo 3. The hair attachment clip with bracket, closing attachment clip with bracket, and clothing attachment clip with cap. These can be used for extra security and peace of mind. To attach a clip with a bracket, position the bracket over the grooves on either side of the rubber socket cover. It does not matter which side you attach it to. Push one bracket lip into the groove, then press down on the other side until it snaps into place. You can now clip your Rondo 3 to your hair or clothing. To remove the clip, insert your fingernail under the lip closest to the rubber socket cover and gently lift the bracket off. To use the clothing attachment clip with cap, hold your Rondo 3 with the microphones facing up in one hand. Hold the cap between the forefinger and thumb in your other hand. Slide the cap onto the audio processor so that one lip and then the other lip are pushed into the grooves furthest away from the rubber socket cover. Make sure that the leash does not get caught under the cap. You can now use the clip to attach Rondo 3 to your clothing. To remove the clip, insert your fingernail under one side of the cap and gently lift it off.
Now you can snap on your attachment clip and go about your day.